Hey guys, Annyeong. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nidhi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you have already guessed by the title, that I'm gonna be reviewing the magnetic eyelashes. So let's get started with the video. Before starting this video, I'm going to give a small disclaimer about this video is that I've been wanting this magnetic lashes from a very long time, and I thought of buying it from an Amazon store, but basically I ended up buying from an Instagram site. I'll link it in the description box, the site name, because I don't remember it exactly. So yeah, they have amazing makeup products at a very cheaper rate, and the quality is amazing, and the main thing is that COD is available. So these are the lashes, and instructions are given at the back side of the box. So the thing I got this magnetic eyelashes is that I used to use the lashes with the where I had to apply glue on the lashes and then stick it to my eyes, and it used to take a hell lot of time, like 1 hour minimum, for me to stick that lashes with the glue one. But then I thought of buying this magnetic eyelashes as it was trending on Instagram. So let's see how well does it looks on me. Oh my god. I am not sure is it looking good on me or not. Did you see that? It just took 20 seconds to stick on my eyes, and I don't know whether it's looking good or bad, but I am loving it. So let's try the another one on my eyes.
A few moments later.
ये स्टिक नहीं हो रहा है. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Oh God. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. एक लग गया, एक नहीं लग रहा है. अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि पहले जो ग्लू वाला लगाते वही बेटर था. ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गई. Let's try once again. So I'm finally done with this, and I don't think it's that bad nor that good, but definitely if you don't want to try the glue one and waste your time, you can definitely try out this lashes. This magnetic ones. If I had to rate the magnetic ones on the scale of 10, I would give 8 on 10 because it looks damn natural on your eyes. And the thing is that I got this only for 280 rupees, and I guess COD charges were 150. You can check it out on the site. To know more about me, you can follow me on my Instagram ID. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.